In this video we will talk about whooping cough, home remedies for whooping cough, herbal remedies for whooping cough. Don't forget to like, share and subscribe to our YouTube channel to be notified when we upload new videos daily. Herbal remedies for whooping cough. Whooping cough, a.k.a. also known as pertussis, is a highly contagious disease. Whooping cough is one of the leading causes of vaccine-preventable deaths. There are 30 to 50 million cases of pertussis per year. Whooping cough is spread by contact with an airborne discharge from the mucous membranes of an infected person. The disease is treated with antibiotics like erythromycin, azithromycin and clarithromycin. These antibiotics result in the person becoming less infectious, but in the majority of cases does not change the outcome of the disease. Natural treatments for whooping cough symptoms. Ginger. Ayurvedic medicine praises ginger's ability to boost the immune system by warming the body so it can break down the accumulation of toxins in the organs. Raw honey. There are many health benefits of raw honey, including its ability to treat coughs just as effectively as over-the-counter commercial cough syrups. Turmeric. It can be argued that turmeric is the most powerful herb on the planet at fighting and potentially reversing disease. Turmeric can be used to reduce inflammation and ease pain. Bone broth. Consuming soups or smoothies containing bone broth can help to reduce inflammation in the respiratory system, boost the immune system and get the nutrients that you need to fight whooping cough. Probiotics. Probiotics can help defend against bacterial infections and reduce inflammatory responses. Licorice root. Licorice root is an herb that can reduce coughing and enhance immune system function. Cedarwood oil. Cedarwood essential oil helps to relieve spasmodic conditions of the respiratory system. Rest in fluids. When you are fighting a serious infection like whooping cough, it's important that you get plenty of rest throughout the day. Prevent spreading. If you develop whooping cough symptoms, it is very important that you prevent spreading it, especially if you have an infant in your home. N-acetylcysteine. Use N-acetylcysteine for chronic cough to help thin out phlegm, making it easier to cough up. Oregano oil. Oregano oil is a natural antibacterial agent that supports respiratory health. It works as the ultimate natural antibiotic. Peppermint oil. Peppermint oil contains menthol and exhibits antibacterial properties. Inhaling diffused peppermint oil helps to unclog the sinuses and relieves a scratchy throat. Warning: none of the information on our videos is a substitute for a diagnosis and treatment by your health professional.